Unity, a giant in the world of game development, made an exciting announcement. Two breaking AI tools they've just unveiled, Unity Muse and Unity Census. Let's dive into what this means for game developers and the broader gaming industry. Unity believes that every aspect of game creation is about to change, from the systems to the objects to the pixels. Everything is about to be impacted by AI. They are harnessing the power of AI to drive innovation, accelerate content creation, and increase productivity across games, as well as entertainment and industrial use cases. Unity Muse is an AI platform designed to accelerate the creation of real-time 3D applications and experiences like video games and digital twins. It aims to help creators to build almost anything they want in the Unity editor using natural input, such as text prompts or sketches. One key feature of Muse is Muse Chat, which is kind of like ChatGPT, and it leverages AI to search across the Unity documentation, the training resources, everything on their website, and supportive content, providing well-structured and actually useful information on how to learn how to use their editor and progress to get better, but also to develop and troubleshoot issues. Unity Census is also a game changer. It bridges neural networks and the Unity runtime, enabling you to embed an AI model directly into the Unity runtime for your game or application. This enhances gameplay and other functionality directly on the end user platforms. It's AI at the edge, and Census allows AI models to run on any device where Unity runs, eliminating the complexity, latency, and costs associated with hosting a model in the cloud. Unity is also making available AI-verified solutions. They're just a bunch of third-party packages and tools that meet Unity's highest quality and compatibility standards. And these tools are amazing. They offer a range of capabilities from AI-powered smart NPCs and AI-produced VFX to generative speech and in-game testing with AI. What? I cannot wait to start using this stuff. This is so cool. This is just the beginning for Unity's AI tools. I just have a feeling they have something else up their sleeve, don't you? I expect to see them still rolling out AI features well into 2024 and beyond to make the Unity editor and their web resources much easier to navigate, learn, and ultimately build some incredibly cool games. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this very first update, why not hit the subscribe button? We're going to do this way more often. Thank you.